Tamilarasi, ஐய தமிழில் ஒரு துளி.
Hi! Today we're going to do Chapter 5. Are you all ready? I'm excited. Okay. I wonder what it's going to be. Let's see. There. Gwen! What letter is this? Let me think. I? Yes. Gwen, this picture looks so cold. Do you kids like snow and being cold? Actually, we're in India. Snow doesn't even fall. But what? Do you like being cold or hot? Actually, I most times like to be in the cold. Oh. And sometimes when I'm too cold, like it's freezing like an ice cube, I like the warm. So I like both. Okay, that is a normal thing. Okay. So, Warren, can you tell me about this picture now? I see an iguana. But iguanas don't live in the cold area. Maybe they do. Maybe we just didn't learn it or something. And is that a seagull? I think. No, it's a ibis. What's an ibis? I think that's an ibis, the bird. I don't know what's an ibis. If any of you know what's an ibis or how to pronounce it, right? Please tell me in the comment section below because I have no idea about it. Oh, and also tell which one is ibis. Is this an ibis or is this an ibis? This is an iguana. This is an ibis. Who knows? Maybe there's something looking like this called an ibis. Who knows? Let's start the stomach. Okay, boy. What else can you see here? There's one thing. Can you see it? Ice. What else? There's something else here. Snow. No. It's right next to the iguana. What is that? Igloo. Yeah, do you like igloos? Wait, I've never seen the igloo. What's it? You haven't seen the igloo before? Even in videos? But my sister. Yeah, I made an igloo once. With a coconut. Yeah, a coconut and some cotton. Yeah. Yeah, I went for an expedition. Okay, let's start the story. It's an activity for our class. Yeah, okay, let's start the story. Iguana's family. Okay? Okay. The ibis flew to the igloo. In the igloo, wait, now I got it since it said fly. Which thing can fly? Birds. So yeah. This is ibis. Okay. In the igloo lived an iguana. I'm an iguana, and you're gonna be an ibis. I'm like an ibis. Yeah, you're gonna be living inside an igloo. The ibis said to the iguana. The ibis said to the iguana, "I have found your family." Whoa, that's so cool, right? Imagine you following the same page. Imagine that. That would be so crazy. So crazy. Okay. Imagine every story we tell, that's how our next day is gonna be. Imagine that. That would be crazy. Yeah. When? This picture is good, but this picture is hot. Can you tell me about this? Is this a miracle? I think whatever. You just please tell me about this picture, boy. I definitely see this is a miracle. This is a miracle. It's snow and the snow melts. Whatever. You tell me about this picture, boy. I see the ibis eating some ice cream. You're right. On a very hot day, I think that will be useful.
Okay. Then, what's this?
I hope we get ice cream today.
Ooh, what's this?
Wait a second. I can't even recognize which is from the last picture. Is it a family? Yes, the ibis took the iguana to its family. Look at this. If you see the book, look. So this is the iguana. But here, can you recognize which is this iguana?
I think it's this one because it has the tails and stripes. I have no idea though. Okay. But now tell me about this picture, please.
I see an ibis and family of iguanas.
What else? Where are they? Yeah, they just traveled from the North Pole or South Pole somewhere to the beach. That's crazy.
They don't feel like that. I feel like they're in America.
Okay, Bhuvan. Bhuvan, what is that near to them? What is that?
Ocean?
Yeah, you're right. Okay, let's read. The ibis took the iguana to the rocky shore.
Wait, I have a question. The next thing I want to tell you. This is snowy. This is hot.
Yeah?
This is wet. In these two ones, the cold waters in this paradise of cold.
Yeah.
If it's still there, wouldn't it look like this? And the beach will also look like this.
No, Bhuvan, the ocean and the Arctic are very, very different. So don't confuse with that even if you get on with our story, okay? Okay? On the shore, iguana's family greeted her and ibis. Ibis. With them, ice cream! Who likes ice cream here? Would you like ice cream?
I just said one time. This is the second time I tell you. I think we're going to get ice cream.
Okay. So they were eating ice cream while saying,
Wait. Ice cream. Hey, it is for ice cream.
You're right. Super one.
Ice cream.
Yeah, it's ice cream. Okay.
I'm just so excited to eat ice cream.
Okay. Tell me about this picture here.
I can see fish, coral, water, bubbles,
What is the main thing you can see here?
iguanas.
Yeah, there's so many iguanas in this picture.
I can't even count how many iguanas are in the whole page. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 iguanas in the whole page. I can't believe that.
Okay. The iguana thanked the ibis. The iguana dived into the sea with her family.
Wait a second. Can the ibis? Oh, got it. Ibis. Can the ibis swim?
No, it's a bird. Of course
Then
not.
how could it show? I know iguanas are a good swimmer, but are birds?
I don't think so. If you guys know, please let us know.
Actually, some birds dive into the water to get their food.
Penguins, yeah. But if
Oh, and don't forget,
what else is
you forgot. It stands on rocks. It has a big beak.
there? Seagulls?
Yes.
Yes. Oh!
They dive into the water and get their fish and come back up to the surface.
Okay, but do you just remember all the stories? Do you all remember it? You sure? Or do you need to do it again? Alright? Okay.
No.
Then let's go.
I know what this means. Question time!
You're right. Okay, let's start with the first question of the day.
Yay.
Where did the iguana live, Gwen? Exactly where did it live? Exactly. Okay.
Igloo?
You're so right, Super Gwen. It's the igloo. You said the correct answer.
I made one question right.
Okay. Question number 2. Where did they go after the ibis found the iguana's family?
Beach.
Was it a beach? There's something else on the book. Did you notice? What? Did you notice? I said something else.
Ocean.
No, that's not what I said. I said something else. Did you pay attention? You know the answer?
Mm-hmm.
Rocky Shore. I said that, remember? You have to pay attention one, okay? But that was a good
This
try.
is the second time I lost. Remember the last time, if you seen that video, I just lost a question.
Yeah, okay. The third question of the day. What did they do after the family joined back together?
My first swim.
Yeah, they went for a swim. What was around when they went?
Why do I always get one? Wrong.
Whatever. When they dived into the ocean and going for a swim, there's so many things around them, right? Can you name 3 things that were around them? Coral, fish. What else? There was one main thing.
Iguanas.
Yes, you're right. Okay. I hope you all answered it right. To the kids who answered it right, congratulations.
Bye.
Bye.
I'm just gonna go.
Boomerang, where are you? We need you. Boomerang.
Excuse me.
Oh, you're right here. Okay.
Were you calling me?
Yes. Boomerang. Do you remember the eye activity? Boomerang, did you remember the eye story?
Yes.
Now we're going to do its activities.
Which activity?
The eye sound activities.
What?
Yeah.
I thought you forgot.
I always remember. Okay?
Okay, let's try.
Okay. So first, you're going to color this eye. Both these eyes. With any color you want. But before that, you need to tell me all these pictures.
Is that an insect?
Yes, it's an insect. Because it starts with the letter I. Don't confuse it with fly, because that starts with F. Not what we're talking about today, okay?
It just looked like no insect I ever seen.
Whatever.
It looked like half spider and half butterfly on the head and wings of a fly.
Okay, you just tell all those pictures from the top.
Ice.
Nice. Next.
Igloo. Iguana. Island.
Yes.
Iron.
Yes.
Do you know what an iron is? You know, is it? You use it for clothes.
Yeah. Okay, what's the last picture then?
Insect.
Yeah, an insect. Yeah, you can start cutting the capital I and the lowercase I.
I will take my pick. E. I'll take my pick.
Start with the capital letter. Super, Gwen. You finished both capital I and lowercase I.
Yay! What's next?
Next, you have to write the letter capital I and lowercase I and write it. You have to say I, it. I, it.
I
While you
got
do
it. I, 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 it. One row complete.
Go to next.
It looks like there's 3 rows in all. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct.
I, it. 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 I, it.
You finished the capital I's. Now go on to the lowercase.
I, it. 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 It. I, 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 it.
Super, Gwen. You finished both capital letters and lowercase letters. You're amazing, Gwen.
Thanks.
Let's do the last one. What I want you to do first is read all these pictures.
Ice. Iguana.
Confidence.
Igloo. Island. Iron. Insect.
Iris. It's a type of flower.
Iris.
Infant.
Infant.
It's a baby, okay? It's another word for baby. Infant. Is that a new word you're learning today, Glenn? Infant and iris. That's 2 new words you just learned today. Super, Glenn.
I thought that was a flower.
Yeah, it's a type of flower.
Wait, if I said flower, wouldn't it turn it?
Yeah, that's why it's an iris, okay? Now start writing. And make sure you say ice. Iguana. Igloo. Got it?
Got it.
Say the other. What is that? Iguana. What is it?
It.
Island, okay?
Island. Ice. Iguana. Igloo. Island. Insect. Ink.
Iris.
Iris. It's kind of like virus.
It's iris. Iris.
Can you recognize this? Virus? Iris.
Okay?
So,
Okay, the last time.
infant.
Super, Gwen. Tell me the pictures one more time.
Ice. Island. Ink. Iguana. Iron. Iris. Igloo. Insect. Infant.
Super, Gwen. You did so well. And I want to share this information with you. We have done 5 phonics sounds so far. If you haven't watched all of them, please go watch them. Because Gwen's going to do an activity that requires all of them, okay?
Actually, I have done something. Really, it's 4. This is just the 5th.
You're right. So Gwen, we're going to do an extra activity today.
What extra?
So, you know you learned all those sounds before, right?
Yes.
Can you tell me all of them?
P.
P,
A.
A,
S.
S,
T.
T. We just learned it today.
I.
You're right. These 5 sounds. We're going to do an extra activity. We're going to match it. You like to match? What is this, Gwen?
Turtle.
What beginning sound is that?
Wait. T for turtle.
You had to match it and write T in this box. Superman. What's this?
Ice cream. Wait, I still wonder if we're getting ice cream.
Okay, please match it, Gwen. And write the letter I in the box.
So easy.
Gwen.
Fine.
What's this? It looks so scary.
An ant. I got bit in my nose.
Yikes.
Not so painful.
Oh, okay.
Not so scary at all. You don't need to be afraid of the ant.
Okay. Then what's this?
A snail.
What's it?
A snail.
What letter is the beginning sound?
letter is it? S? You're right! Match it up. Okay, the last picture. Which picture is this one? Let's go up to B and just take a little shortcut.
And right. You forgot to write.
Okay, so this is the extra activity. And these are all the stuff that we told you.
So make sure you watch these videos before this.
Oh, and also, if you had this book, you could do the same repetition.
Yeah.
Okay. Bye! Bye! I'm just gonna run away down.
ஹாய் கிட்ஸ், எனக்கும் என் தம்பிக்கு டிராயிங், கலரிங், கிராஃப்ட்னா ரொம்ப பிடிக்கும். உங்களுக்கும் பிடிக்குமா? அப்போ உங்களோட டிராயிங், கலரிங், கிராஃப்ட் ஒர்க் எல்லாம் எங்களோட வெப்சைட்ல அப்லோட் பண்ணுங்க. தமிழரசி ஃபேமிலி கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் போடுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, உங்க ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. For more videos, please subscribe my channel. That's it.